We've had a lot of market moving news in the last week. The biggest was Scott Bessent of the Treasury stating that they were going to double the buyback of the long end 30-year from $2 billion to $4 billion. And they were going to do this by issuing more shorter term debt. This was their way to try to hold down the longer end of the yield curve. And as we know, the longer end, specifically the 10-year, but the 10 and 30-year, is what influences a lot of the consumer rates, such as mortgage, auto, etc. So as the 30-year fix had been getting higher, breaching 5.2%, that was their attempt to bring it down. And it initially worked, but it has essentially rebounded back after the market kind of dissected and resolved that they don't really like the Treasury or the government intervention. In the meantime, this week we have the Jackson Hole meeting. This is the first time that Warsh is going to be leading. So everybody's waiting to see what comes out when he speaks on Friday. So that has a big potential to move the markets. Are they going to be looking at status quo? He came out this week and was a little bit hotter than expected, but mostly in line. So probably not enough to make them change any movement on the September meeting. So is he going to give us any indication? Right now, there's about a 66% chance that they don't do any hike or cut and stand pat. But the market still is pricing in about a 75% chance that there will be at least one hike by the end of the year. We'll see if anything changes in the meantime. Stay tuned.